Okay, we will solve this one. Divide and simplify the square root of 6. Divide by square root of 5. Okay, kopyahin muna natin yan. The square root of 6 over the square root of 5. So, gagawin natin dito, we have to multiply by square root of 5 over square root of 5 para magiging perfect square itong denominator. So, equals square root of 6 times square root of 5, that is square root of 30 over square root of 5 times square root of 5, that is square root of 25. Okay? So, therefore, simplify natin. Square root of 30, so hindi yan siya perfect square. Therefore, kopyahin na natin yan. Square root of 30 over square root of 25 is 5. Okay? So, sa choices natin, letter D is the correct answer.